I'd like to walk through some of the great troubleshooting features that we've got included in our new ProMix V. What you can see here is the maintenance screen on the user interface, and it is from this maintenance screen that I can actually go into maintenance mode, and I can manually actuate everything on a ProMix V for very fast getting to the root of the problem and getting back into production faster. I need to turn on maintenance mode, and I'm going to actuate color valve 1. I've just pushed this color valve 1 button, and I've got a green light that is illuminated, and that is telling me that the controller sent out a signal the way it was supposed to. But we can take that a step further, and we can actually use this very handy reference label on the inside of every ProMix V to understand color valve 1. If I look at this here, this is telling me that color valve 1 is connected at the very last position on our controller. And if I look at our controller, I can see that a light is illuminated in that position. So the controller did what it was supposed to do. It sent the signal to the solenoid. This next section here is the diagram of the solenoids. And I can see that color 1 is the top half of the second position over. And if I look at this, I've got a light here confirming that that solenoid is doing what it's supposed to do as well. And then the final step in the process, which I cannot show you because we don't have compressed air connected to this piece of equipment, is that with our newly redesigned valves that now achieve 4,000 PSI, we were able to put in a small indicator pin that only sticks out about 1/16 of an inch or so. That gives you that visual indication as well. So by going through the maintenance mode screens, you can actually troubleshoot from anything with a web browser. You can connect via Wi-Fi or via wired Ethernet with a tablet, a phone, a laptop. We've made it very convenient for people to access this information.